What does it take to do more? Is it collaborating with you on your sustainability journey? Testing innovative packaging types for coding suitability before customers ask for them? Or championing the conversation around waste reduction and improved production efficiency? Is it empowering you to customize your packaging design in-house? Helping you incorporate customer feedback and unanticipated changes into the product design? And ensuring your brand stands out on the supermarket shelf? Or enabling track and trace within the supply chain to bring order in uncertain times? Yes, it could be all of these things and more. Is it using our industry knowledge and technical expertise to help protect your brands from counterfeit? Or providing coding automation to ensure your message printing is consistently accurate? Plus, customized solutions with vision inspection to maximize the output of quality product? Yes, and more besides. Is it understanding how standards and regulatory compliance changes, like the Food Safety Modernization Act, or QR codes powered by GS1 can be incorporated into your labeling processes so your packaging managers don't have to get into the nitty-gritty? Or could it be providing you with the benefits of global scale, availability, and knowledge with local service and support? But isn't do more just a nice slogan? No. More is greater. More is aspirational. More is exceptional. Doing more for our customers has been at the center of our success for over 40 years. Everyone, every day is challenged to do more. For each other, for our customers and partners, for you. That's why we're trusted by some of the biggest brands in the world to add value to their operations and support their commercial and environmental goals. It's all about them. It's all about you. Let's do more together. Domino. Do more.